Yeah, so we just said that when you see something coming together, it's an amazing feeling, and it keeps you going, and you will end up in an upward spiral, right? And I think the one of the best things, or the question which I would ask myself as an or objectively, is how do I get into this upward spiral? And I think one point to say or to mention here is communities, right? And so I just want to cut into this topic about, for example, our community, the self-dev community, which you also can see down below, that this plays a huge role, which helped you and me or every person in that community to become the persons they are today, or just that they became a better persons, right? So my question then
Yeah.
would be, how did the self-dev community, like the Discord community, help you or shape you, Blazer, so far? Or how long have you been here?
Yeah. Good question. Uh, I think for the period of time, I think it's been 1 year and exactly 1 month or 2 months by now. So yeah, and before the server, uh, like I used to do, I would say everything kind of on my own. I mean, not on my own. I had a mentor that like was with me watching my growth and all. But for the most part, I was doing everything alone. Like no one was telling me to do anything. No one was telling me like you should code, you should do this, blah blah blah. That was just me, like a headless chicken pursuing this path of this goal. And exactly, I think a year and 6 months later, I found out about the server, and I found a lot of people who were basically keeping each other accountable. And that was like a really cool idea, which also needed to network with people, which was also moving out of my comfort zone because back then I wouldn't be here doing this podcast. Like you wouldn't find me.
Yeah, man. Oh my god, I still
Yeah,
remember the first one which we did. You talk
yeah,
like a complete different person,
yeah,
man. I was like, what is
yeah, yeah,
this?
yeah.
Oh my
That
god.
we should delete that and
No worries,
rewrite it.
man. No, it's good, man, because
Yeah,
it's always good to
yeah,
look back and see your progress, man. That's
yeah,
why I think that's also really nice. And for me personally, I can't imagine how to live without having this community now, because it's like a pillar, where I can lean
yeah,
on, and I know it's a place where I can come back, and I know I can find those specific people like you or Tenek or Hungry Mood or Albina, who have been here since the start. And
yeah,
I mean, I can't speak about this experience because I never went somewhere and found out about this community because I created this one, right? So that's why I would
yeah.
love to hear from you. Like, you came from Twitch, right? And how was it for you? Like, how did you find about the server specifically? And how did it feel for you, like when you joined it and clicked on the server?
Yeah, okay. It's kind of a funny experience. At first, I saw, I forgot the real name. I don't know if it's Kate or whatever, but the Instagram name is
Okay.
Sensation. And she
Ah,
reposted
yeah.
Matilda. Yeah, she reposted Matilda, a female coder. And I click on Matilda's profile and I was scrolling through her profile. I saw the fancy setup and all, but I wasn't
Mm.
interested in that. I was looking what was in the monitor. And I saw
Knowledge.
something. Yeah, I saw Flutter or Dart code. I was like, wait, is that Flutter? Started clicking through, went through the link, and landed on that Twitch. And it just happened that she was streaming at the moment. Then I
Mm-hmm.
clicked the stream, and the second day I found the server. I mean, they did a command to exclamation mark Discord, and the server came up, and I joined, and I was like, ooh, there's a lot of people here. And I joined the voice channels. I was just there scanning around. At first, I was like very scared, like, what the hell is this? What's going on? There's people here just talking. But
Oh
yeah,
my god.
after a while, yeah, it came like, yeah, met a lot of people and yeah, network. That's actually something Tenek can expand on later on the network part. And I hope you guys will be here for that. It's gonna be good.
Thank you.